What's up guys? Today I present you the sound of heaven. The brand is Moukey and the model is M20-1. They are bookshelf size speaker. These are two-way speaker with a port in front. These are passive speaker, so what it means, you need an amp. In my opinion, I got more for the price. The size of this speaker is 11" by 6.5 by 8. What we have is 1" tweeter, 5" woofer, and 1" port. The power of these speakers are 50 watt and 100 watt peak. I forgot to mention the weight of these speakers are 6.9 pounds. What came with this unit? You're going to see 4 rubber feet. In the back, I can show you. They give a metal like a hook, so like that you can put it on the wall. And to be easy in the back, you're going to see those push like that. When it's time to install the wire, you just push it and release it and everything is going to be okay. In the front we have a dust proof cloth. Here we go. It's easy like that. Make sure you don't mix the positive and negative. They show you the red is for the positive and the black is for negative, the wire. The power of the woofer are good to 100 Hz, but don't go below for the bass. In my opinion, for the price, it's heavily. And for your info, these Moukey speaker, they are at 2.5 feet in front of the microphone, and the amp is a Yamaha. And now it's time to listen to the music. I hope I do hope you like this speaker. If you like this video, don't forget to ring the bell and don't forget to thumbs up. And like always, don't forget to subscribe. And see you in another one.